Welcome. In this video, we will explore compound annual growth rate or CAGR in Inforiver Analytics Plus. Compound annual growth rate or CAGR shows how a value grows steadily over time. It's calculated using the beginning and ending values over a set number of years. CAGR smooths out yearly fluctuations, making it perfect for long-term trend analysis, comparing metrics and forecasting future growth. To begin, go to the Deviation section and click on Add CAGR. Now, select any two columns you want to apply the CAGR calculation to. This adds the CAGR line. You can repeat this process to add multiple CAGR lines. To customize your CAGR line, head back to the Deviation section and click on Customize. Then, go to CAGR tab. Here, you can adjust the positive and negative colors of the CAGR line to match your visual preferences. Next, set the value type. You have three options: default, custom, and none. When set to default, the line starts from the first bar. With custom, you can specify the starting and ending index to draw the CAGR line between specific data points. By default, units is set to auto to select the optimal time period. You can further set it as year, quarter, months, days, hours, and points to get an accurate CAGR calculation. To reset the CAGR line, just toggle Use ID. Now, let's style it up. Customize the font color and size from the font section. Set the label shape. And adjust its border color and transparency. Fine-tune the arrow style. And set the offset to position the CAGR line exactly where you want it. Finally, enable number formatting, and set the number of decimal places for precision. And that's it. You've now mastered adding and customizing CAGR lines to enhance your data visualization. Thanks for watching. Download Inforiver Analytics Plus from Microsoft AppSource to experience this magic. For more information, refer to the documentation provided in the description.